Sahil, now not just Uddhav Thackeray, Mr. Eknath Shinde also has to go back to the Supreme Court on this entire matter, given that the plea has been entertained by the court. The plea has not been discarded. This is going to be heard in 2 weeks' time again.
Well, I would say that today Supreme Court decided that they are going to hear this special leave petition, which Shinde camp was actually trying to scuttle it down, saying that, why have they come directly to the Supreme Court rather than they should have gone to the High Court. But Supreme Court Chief Justice decided that no, that they are going to hear Thakeray's petition as a special leave petition, number one. Number two, what Thackeray group was actually looking at is that because in weeks' time, Maharashtra budget session is going to happen. Maharashtra Assembly's budget session is going to happen. And along with Aditya Thackeray, around 15 MLAs belong to Uddhav Thakeray camp, now will be facing a challenge in Assembly on the floor of the House. If the Shiv Sena issues a whip, they will have to follow that whip, and if they do not follow the whip, the proceedings of disqualification can be begun against them. So they wanted to scuttle that, they wanted to stop that, and that's what they are, I think, looking at this point of time. And the biggest respite they have got from the Supreme Court at this point of time is that the Supreme Court asked specifically to the Shinde camp, are they going to issue any kind of a whip to these MLAs? So at least they have promised the Supreme Court that till the time the Supreme Court is hearing this particular petition, they are not going to issue any whip against to the Thackeray camp MLA. So that is a big respite. But on the other hand, what Kapil Sibal was trying to argue from Uddhav Thakeray's side is that they need immediate stay on the Election Commission order so that Eknath Shinde camp cannot claim the parliamentary party office, the legislative party office in Maharashtra Assembly or in Lok Sabha, and Uddhav Thakeray camp should also allow to sit there in those particular offices, which they have completely denied. They have said that till the time they do not hear from the Shinde camp and the Election Commission, because they have sent notices and asked them to reply, file a reply in 2 weeks' time. In 1 week's time, they have to file a reply, and in 1 week's time, they have to file a rejoinder. So they have given 2 weeks' time to file these replies. Till that time, they have decided not to stay the Election Commission order at this point of time. If till the time they don't hear it from the Shinde camp and the Election Commission, they are not going to stay this particular order. So on one hand, a respite for the Thackeray camp, that there will be no whip issued against them. They can attend this particular assembly session, the budget session, which will begin from 27th of February, and there will be no whip against them. But on the other hand, the Shinde camp's respite is that the Election Commission has decided that they will not issue any stay till the time they don't hear from Shinde camp and others. Anand Dubey, Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray group's spokesperson is with us at this point of time. This is another respite which Uddhav Thakeray camp has received, is that they can carry the name Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray and the symbol torch till the time the Election Commission is hearing the case, because the election, till the time the Supreme Court is hearing the case, the Election Commission in its order had specifically said that they can use the name and the symbol only till the time the bypolls in Maharashtra for the Maharashtra Assembly are in place. The campaign for the bypolls are in place, that is till 3 days from now. But now that till the time the Supreme Court is hearing the case, they can use this name and the torch order.